Welcome to our regular report video tutorial. Prognoz Platform Report Designer enables you to generate regular reports of any complexity with text, hypertext, and tabular data representation, business graphics, and maps. Reports are available in two modes, Design and View. So, what does the regular report look like? A report is a range of sheets with data and controls. Now you can see your report displayed in the View mode. This report consists of 5 sheets representing data in the form of tables, charts, and maps. You can use a special control to change the country for which the indicator values are displayed. If you change the country using a control, all report sheets will be reorganized to display new data without altering its structure. Moreover, one of the sheets provides an extra control enabling you to change the reporting date for the map. This regular report can be easily printed and exported to external files. Let's create a new regular report. Click the Regular Report button on the toolbar in the Prognoz Platform Windows application. To expand the work area, hide the sidebar. Working with a regular report is similar to working with Microsoft Excel tables. Also, a regular report can receive data from different sources of the Prognoz Platform repository, such as tables, representations, queries, multidimensional cubes, time series databases, and Express reports. Let's use a cube as a data source for the report. Insert the added cube into the report sheet. This causes the data area formatting window to open. Keep the default settings. When you move the cube into the report space, a data slice is automatically generated. This slice will be included into the report sheet as a data area. Refresh the report to display the required data. Configure the data slice so that the data area displays countries in rows and indicators in columns. In our example, we will examine only G20 countries. In order not to select each country separately, you can use a predefined selection scheme set up for this dictionary. Select the required indicators and the reporting date. When you click Refresh, data will be displayed in the table. Rename the created slice as Table. Set up the automatic refresh of the report to have all modifications displayed on the report sheets. Format the table. Specify its fill color and customize data and header display. Adjust the column width and the row height of the table to fit the screen size. Place the header above the table and format it. Display the reporting date by using the selected value in the calendar dimension. To do so, choose the function that gets the selected slice element in the formulas menu. Specify the required parameters. Add a note indicating that this cell comprises the reporting date. Customize the subheader format. Rename the report sheet as Economic Indicators and add 2 new sheets to the report. Insert one more table representing import-export statistics into the first sheet. The second sheet will display a chart. To insert another table with data to the report, add a new slice by copying the existing slice structure. Specify its name and move the slice to the second report sheet, keeping default formatting parameters. The table will display import-export indicators for the same countries and for the same date as in the first table. To make countries and dates coincide, synchronize the selections and slices. Select the required indicators. Format the second sheet like the first one. Now, let us display import and export data on the chart. Charts can be built based on the slice data or sheet data. In our case, we will use the data of the previous sheet. Select data required to build a chart from the sheet. Zoom in on the chart. Copy the entire chart name from the previous sheet. Sort data in the source table. Arrange countries in descending order as per import volume. As a result, the chart becomes more visually compelling and informative. Format the chart. Reduce gap width and set up series overlap. You can use hyperlinks to navigate easily from the table to the chart. Set up the hyperlink located in the import-export sheet to switch the sheet with the chart. The hyperlink is only available in the electronic version, so you will need to uncheck the print cell option. Similarly, set up a hyperlink to switch from the chart to the table on the chart sheet. You can add controls into the report, allowing one to select data to be displayed in the report view mode. Add a control allowing you to change the reporting date. Controls can be displayed for all report sheets or for specific ones. Set up the control so that it is displayed on all sheets. Now you can manage the report date from every sheet. So, you have created a report providing information on socioeconomic indicators of G20 countries. Save the report and give it an appropriate name. Configure the report for printing. Switch to the page mode. You can configure each report sheet separately. Change the page orientation to landscape. Maximize the chart on the sheet. Open the report for preview. View all the sheets. The report is almost ready. Just add headers and footers to it. Insert a logo into the header. If the logo is too large, you will need to reduce its size without altering its proportions. Insert the report name into the right side of the header. Insert page numbers into the footer. Apply the same settings to all sheets. Reopen the report in the preview mode to see what your report will look like when printed. And the final step, remove useless elements from the sheets, row and column headings, grid line, and the formula bar. The report is ready to print. Save it. The report designer has the capacity to export the report to various external formats. For example, save the report in PDF. You can save the report as a whole or select specific sheets to export. Export the whole report. Open the saved file. As you can see, the PDF report looks the same way as it does in the report designer. Now, let's see what your report looks like when viewed in the Prognoz platform web application. The web application's report designer enables you to open regular reports in the view mode, as well as to export and print it. The web application, as well as the Windows application, offers controls to change data representations on the report sheets. The chart will also be redesigned. So, you have created a regular report enabling you to analyze socioeconomic indicators of G20 countries. You can view a regular report in both desktop and web applications and export it to external formats. Also, the report can be published for discussion on corporate portals or across social media. Our regular report video tutorial is over. Thank you for your attention.